Introducing Wanco's newest light tower, the Programmable Solar Light Tower. With its 24-foot telescoping mast, customizable high-output LED lights, and a state-of-the-art tilting solar panel array, this light tower stands unrivaled in the market. To deploy the Programmable Solar Light Tower, first make sure all 4 stabilizing jacks are swung down and level. Next, locate the tightening pin beneath the winch on the mast. Turn that pin counterclockwise to unlock the mast. Using the handles, rotate the mast to the desired position. Lock the pin back into place by turning it clockwise until the post can no longer rotate. Before raising the mast, be sure to adjust your light direction by tilting each individual LED light to the preferred angle. When ready, begin raising the mast by winding the dual-lever winch until the lights are to your desired height, or until they reach the max height of 24 feet. The winch will lock into place with each rotation, so no additional pins are required to set the mast height. Next, pull the locking pin from the center of the solar panel frame on each side of the trailer. This pin will prevent the solar panel array from tilting, so make sure it is removed before you begin tilting the panels. You will find 2 more pins located at the front and back of the frame on each side of the trailer, locking the extended panels into place. Turn these counterclockwise to unlock the panel, then pull it from beneath the top solar panel by pulling it from the side of the trailer. Once each side panel has been fully extended, lock all the pins back into place. Use the dial found within the control box marked Solar to raise or lower the panels to the desired angle. Use your cell phone app or the front panel meter to gather an accurate reading of the solar watts being collected to make sure your panels are in the most efficient position. Finally, you can raise the tilting drawbar and lock it into place to provide a smaller footprint while the light tower is in operation. You can now configure your LED light schedule. Learn how by watching our Solar Light Tower light customization tutorial video. Find out more about the Wanco Solar Light Tower by visiting wanco.com or by calling 303-427-5700.